This is the installation video of secondary display for Apexa series. So as you know, this is a secondary display. It comes with a VGA port. So the first thing we should do is connecting the VGA port, which is on the third one. So first thing is audio jack, then MSR, then the VGA port. We'll connect the VGA port, and we have to tighten the screw at the both ends. When this is done, we'll place the secondary display at the center. Make sure the power cord is also through the center. So once it's placed, we need to screw on both sides. So the installation part is done. As you know, the Posbank secondary display, we can tilt it both sides, even on top and bottom. So once it's done, we will close the back side. You take the cap. Thank you.